Alright, so we just filmed 2 videos for my main channel. They were impromptu videos, but I wanted to get it out there. It was actually about the stuff I made recently, which was Find Yourself one and the feeling off. I think it's kind of funny how I ended up making videos about that on my main channel, because I feel like the stuff that I figured out, also that's what is so cool. Like, I wanted to do a shot here, but there's no good place to put like the tripod, and I'm not gonna risk my phone falling like again. Well, it fell off of a loop scooter last time, but my phone's just been through a lot, so I don't want to risk anything. Anyways, so I feel a lot better. I'm making these videos back to back in the same day, but previous video was me saying how I feel off, and talking about why and figuring it out, and now I definitely feel a lot better. And I just wanted to do more recordings of the process of filming. Like, I've realized, I mean, I keep realizing this recently. It was a new discovery recently, and this place is nice. What the heck? I didn't expect it to be this nice. This is a cool spot. I gotta film here. But I really love filming in nice places, like just going out and filming in nice places, and it doesn't really matter too much what I'm talking about. Like, I've been saying this a lot, but like the more I do it, the more I'm like happy every time I do it. And it's so interesting how that works. It's like you don't really know you like something until you really do it, you know? That's so obvious, but it's so interesting at the same time to realize when you're in the middle of it, because it's like you can judge something based on how it sounds. It's like, oh yeah, you're just going around talking to a camera, like that doesn't sound that great, but like it feels good. It feels good. There's this little mound here. This area feels so peaceful. There's something about it that's just, it gives me such a different energy and vibes. Like, I feel like I can be here all day and I'd be happy. Anyways, I'm trying to say I feel a lot better from literally just an hour or two ago. It definitely helps to also go out, but also helps that I'm just at this really nice park, right next to Kokusai Kaikon Station. Takaragaike, I believe, is what it's called. I always have trouble saying it, but yeah, I feel like just the filming sessions helped a lot. I still need to film the last one for today, which is talking about like me being here in Japan versus me being here in America. And I just feel like this is a great place to do it. Like, there's this energy about this place that I like and hopefully can capture in the camera. It was also sprinkling earlier, so today's kind of like a good day, coincidentally, because the forecast is like rainy, but it's not that rainy. It's a little rainy, it's sprinkling a little bit, but like the sun is still out and it's still beautiful, so I'm glad about that. Oh man. I think I'll film here and then just honestly relax afterwards. Like, I don't always have to be filming, even though I like it. A part of me feels like maybe just sitting here and relaxing and thinking and taking a breather would be nice. But yeah, I kind of just started filming because I thought this place looked nice, and I didn't really have a great topic, but yeah, I don't know, part of me still feels that off feeling, but I feel good at the same time. It's strange. It's like feeling sad but happy, tired but also energized by this location. It's like feeling so many things at once. And I'm just trying to, I guess, take it all in, process it in some way. Oh, that's beautiful. I think I'm just gonna do a wide angle shot and talk, and that's it. Maybe just even walk around this location while I talk. I don't have to like stay in one place. But with the sun like that too, yeah, maybe. All right, let's do this. Let's finish off this video for my main channel and move forward.